Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, another pair of room chairs, and it's a high back chair, 5 feet high back, and this is a bedroom chair set. Can also be used as a lobby furniture or a standalone furniture, but this is the room chair concept that we have. Few people get confused between the room chair and a dining chair. I did explain that earlier also. There is a little difference between the dining chair and a room chair, and once I explain all the sizes and design, you will get to know what is the difference. The room chairs generally are used along with a bed in a bedroom, and they are more spacious than a dining chair. The back, as you can see, has a little inclination, is a little going towards the back, and the kind of heavy quilting and more space to sit that we have on the room chair is more than the dining chair. The size of this one is 28 inches front to back. Left to right, that is 32 inches. So it will cover 32 by 28 inches of space. The back height is 5 feet. And along with this, we have a middle stool here. This is 24 inches high and 18 inches dia. This is generally for the decoration purpose. You can keep a vase or some designer item on this, or can be used as a coffee table also if someone is sitting on these chairs. Now the looks and the designing part, as you can see, when I'm sitting on it, it's a very comfortable kind of chair where you can lean your back, and the space to sit here, you can see a nice space to sit on. Now here, when I'm sitting on it, you can see I'm sitting in a comfortable position. In a dining chair, you'll have to sit straight because this is the best position when you are having your meal. The stomach and back should be straight, so there is no pressure on the stomach while you are eating. If you are inclining or you are reclining further, in that case, both the cases, there is a pressure on the stomach, so it's not a good position to eat. And that is the major difference between a dining chair and a room chair. Room chairs are for comfortable sitting like this, with both the hands resting comfortably, and this way we can sit for a long time also, half an hour. It doesn't make a difference. But dining chairs are generally for shorter use, 15, 20, 30 minutes max, because nobody takes that long for a meal. So 15 minutes you're sitting on a dining chair having your meal and you can get up. This is the major difference between a dining and a room chair, and the size also. Generally, the size of a dining chair is 20 by 20 inches middle space for sitting. Here we are getting more than 24 inches of space here on both sides. So it's a big sitting area. And another difference between a room chair and a dining chair is the sitting height. This is 18 inches high. A regular dining chair is around 20 inches. That's a little more than the regular chairs. The design work that you see, this is teak wood and teak gold paint again. And this one is going to Ghaziabad, along with the bed that I've shown you in a similar fabric a few days ago. So this would be placed along with that bed in the same room. So that room has a bed, an ottoman, two room chairs with this middle stool. The designing work, the artwork, and the work in itself is the choice of the client. The colors, the fabrics, again, the client's choice, and the kind of work we are doing in Arson is clearly visible here. This is not cheap furniture. This is not regular furniture that you get in a local store. These are done on teak wood with antique gold Duco paint. Duco paint is a long process. It takes a lot of time to get done. Number of coats are applied over and over, and finally the paint is applied, and then the antique is done, and the PU coating is done to get this kind of gloss finishing. Again, the designing part. This can go a little higher also. If you want a 6 feet high chair, that can also be done. But 5 feet high is a nice concept because 6 feet looks too high sometimes. Here, when I'm sitting again, you can see I'm getting a lot of space at the back. The back is quite high here. And with 6 feet, it will go 1 feet more. So it looks quite tall as compared to a 5 feet chair. This is a nice size and a comfortable size also. And with the cushion on the hands, my hands are resting quite comfortably on the unit. Designs are too many. You can pick any design from the catalog or our website. And if you want to get it high backed, that can be done like this. Generally, there is a concept of two room chairs along with a coffee table or a stool like this. But if you want more chairs or you want to add something, a bigger table, coffee table, that can be done as per your requirement. These are plain from the back, single side carving. I'll show you the back also. These are plain from the back, and as you can see, the front is carved and the back goes towards the wall. That's why there's no carving at the back. This is plain. But yes, there is a little carving on the leg side that you can see to match the work on the front and in the back. Altogether, it's a nice design and nice concept for a bedroom to have two chairs, because sometimes you want to sit not on the bed but on the sides, and you can use a room chair along with the bed. A lot of people do use sofas, love settees, couches in bedroom that can also be matched in the same format or the colors and the theme, and that goes along with the bed. Now, the area that you would require for this kind of setup, out and out in the existing position with the little space in the middle, this is covering 7 feet of area from here to that side. And front to back, this would require 2.5 feet. So 7 feet by 2.5 feet area is required for this kind of setup. So when you are designing your room, your bedroom, or wherever you want to place it, with this dimensions, you can see that how this would fit in. And if you want any changes in the dimensions, that can be done. A little smaller, a couple of inches here and there, that can be done. That's no issue. Design is nice, the work is nice, it's handcrafting, the quality of arson, the work of Saharanpur, the artisan work, no machine work in this. And again, the beauty in itself is speaking for it. Hope you like this. I request you for a few comments of yours. Let us know how we are doing. Thank you so much.